Hey everybody, it's Dory. Welcome back to my channel. I have an unboxing today. I wasn't going to do an unboxing because, I don't know, it's one of my least favorite videos to film, but this just came in the mail. I ordered it from a different place than I usually order, and I got a great deal. So I decided to come on and unbox it for you guys or with you guys and show you what I got. This is from Coach. I have been marked safe from Coach generally. I haven't been interested in the outlet denim collection. I thought a lot of the pieces were cute, like the new version, but I did feel like that outlet denim cycles around every year. So I was surprised it went viral this time around. Granted, it does have the vachetta leather. I wasn't really interested in the chain tabbies and everything that dropped. So I've been marked safe from Coach, but I still am like ooh gaga over the Coach originals. So if it seems like I've been unboxing more bags back to back, that's because that's exactly what's happening. I ordered a lot of these bags at the same time, but this one I found on a deal. It's a different color. It is another swing zip. So the swing zip I have in the black. If you are a returning subscriber, I have it in the black. I talk about this all the time, how much I love the swing zip. This bag I ordered from, if you're in the military, the PX. I ordered it from the website. It's called Shopmyexchange.com. I've never ordered anything from there before, but I found this bag on a really good deal. And this is how it is looking packaged up. This is what I was the most nervous about. I was like, how are they going to package it? They packaged it better than I would say Nordstrom does when I order from Nordstrom. It does look brand new. It doesn't look like a return. It looks fine. So I got the red swing zip, the ruby color, and this is how it is looking. Still has some plastic on there. So it did arrive way better than my swing zip, the black one that I ordered from Nordstrom. It is the ruby red color with the brass hardware. That's weird how it's like only halfway zipped, but it is fully stuffed, dust bag, everything. So I think I would order from there again. This bag, as you guys know, sorry if I look so tired in this video, it's because I am. But this is the ruby red swing zip, and this bag retails for $3.95. The last one, the black one that I got from Nordstrom, I had a slight deal on it. I had a $10 Nordy note, so that took care of the tax. So I paid about $3.95 solidly without the tax added on. This one, however, I got for over $100 off. I got this on Shopmyexchange for $228. And if you're in the military, you shop tax-free on base, and that still applies when you shop on Shopmyexchange.com. So solidly, I paid $228 for this brand new swing zip bag. I didn't have to pay for shipping, and I didn't have any tax added on. So I felt like that was a really good deal, especially for how much I love the swing zip. I remember saying in every swing zip video that I felt like $3.95 was a little too high and I would rather pay $200. I am kind of a cheapskate in that way. I must admit, there's just certain things I don't want to pay a whole lot of money for that. But I must admit, I love it so much that I would still pay that $3.95, but I was so ecstatic to find this for $228. And I believe they still have this ruby. If you do have access to that site, they still have this in stock. And I think the other colors they have available are black and the chalk one, if I'm not mistaken. So there are so many deals on that site right now when it comes to Coach and all kinds of things, Bath and Body Works, furniture, Dooney & Burke, all kinds of different things. It's like an online shopping mall. It's really great. So yeah, I am excited for this bag. I wasn't sure if I was gonna like it in the ruby color. The only other bag that I have in this color is the Quince Merlot puzzle dupe. I'll probably link it in the cards if you haven't seen that video of mine already. That was my first red bag that I've added to my collection. But this one, I'm actually really surprised that I love it. It's a hit and miss with Coach sometimes, because sometimes when they do their leathers and they add a color to it, it changes the leather almost significantly, especially on the quilted tabbies. I've noticed it just feels completely different, not always in a bad way. It just feels like tougher and less supple and squishy. But this one, I'm happy to say, it feels just like the black. It feels really soft. It feels really sturdy. And I'm just overall just super impressed with it. Yeah, it only took about a week. I'm very impressed with how it got delivered. It's stuffed. They did better job than Nordstrom has done with me, because when I ordered my black one from Nordstrom, I don't even think they gave me a dust bag. It came completely empty. There was no stuffing. This one is completely stuffed. It's not factory wrapped, but it did still have those plastic tabs to protect these, as you saw in the beginning of the video. It does have both tags on there. It says the swing zip, limited reedition, 1998. So it does have those tabs on there. Everything is just super intact. I believe, I don't know what day today is. I know Friday is Valentine's Day, and I thought that this would be like a really cute bag for Valentine's Day. I don't really celebrate Valentine's Day like that. I don't think I've ever have. I think I might have gone to like a fancy dinner one time just because I wanted to do the tasting menu. But I don't celebrate every single holiday like that. It just kind of comes and goes for me. But I thought this would be pretty cute for Valentine's Day. Obsessed with this pink poof. So I felt like Valentine's Day theme, this would be really cute to wear. I am surprised that I am loving like red bag kind of thing. For some reason, I remember when I first started like to carry a bag, like my earlier years, like when I'm out of high school and I'm like in the world figuring things out. And I started like to wear bags. That's not a backpack. My first bag that I got was red. It was like Birkin style bag. I didn't know what the hell a Birkin was back then, but it was shaped like that and it was red. And I had so many compliments on that every time I went out. And I found it at the thrift store and I remember getting a lot of compliments on my outfits and the bag itself whenever I would wear it. And to me, it was just a bag, like took it for granted for the most part. And now, like, starting to really appreciate the red bag thing again and how it looks with like in blacks and even with blues. Sometimes like I'm just wearing white tee, blue jeans and a red bag. I'm starting to really appreciate that more. I always felt like that was more like a 4th of July kind of patriotic look, but I'm just starting to really appreciate the reds now. I feel like it gives a different look. So yeah, just wanted to pop in and show you guys this particular swing zip. I do love it. I'm not going to return it. I'm so happy to have another swing zip. Like something about this bag that I just completely fell in love with after I got the black one. When I got the Hamptons Hobo, I figured that would be my hunter green in my collection. So I wouldn't have like a second swing zip or a third swing zip in this case, because I ordered those at the same time from different places. But now I'm like, I love this bag so much. I wouldn't mind still getting that hunter green, you guys. I'm okay with having multiples of this bag because I just love it. It's so useful. It's so spacious. And I just love to wear it. I love how it's like, if you know that is Coach. It doesn't have a big C. It doesn't have C's all over it. I don't know what it is about this bag that just sets my heart on fire. Like, I don't know what it is, but getting this red one, it really made my day today. When I look at this bag, I'm just like, okay, it's a mid east-west style bag. Not full, like long east-west, but it's just like mid-range east-west style with a long strap drop zipper. That's it. But for some reason, this has become my favorite bag style in my collection. Top 5. This is probably number 1 of my favorite bag styles in my collection. I don't know. When I got this one and I unboxed it, like, my heart just fluttered. It fluttered, and I haven't felt like that again until today when I unboxed this red one. And I was nervous about this color, but I am so happy, you guys. I don't know what it is, but these bags are my favorite thing right now, and it has been since I got this one. I'm sorry I ever doubted you. I don't know what happened with that bubblegum pink that turned me off on the swing zip. But I'm happy. I'm so happy I gave it another chance because I am so happy, you guys. I don't know what it is about this bag, but it's like, when you know, you know. They say that about marriage, right? When you know, you just know. And it's like, I can't put my finger on it why I'm so in love with this thing, but I wouldn't mind having 3, 4, 5 more of them. I'll be on the lookout We'll see if this expands this year, if I get more swing zips. But so far, I just love it so much. I'll talk to you later. Adios.